this video I'm going to show you how to enter, post and print an invoice, but one that needs to use multiple GL lines, so multiple GL codes. So to begin, we go to the Navigator, Adnams, Finance, Accounts Receivable, Invoice Processing, Enter and Revise Invoices. So from here, it's exactly the same as the standard invoice. We click the Add button and fill out these details here. So if I enter my customer, the company, invoice date, GL date, and currency. So if I click down into gross amount and enter my first item, click on the row below and enter my second item. The rest of the fields will pre-populate with the data and it's set up on the system. So click the green tick to go to the next page. So this is where we need to enter our multiple GL codes. So if we look at the amount there, it's £833.34. So if we split this and do one for one GL code and the other half for the other GL code. So if you already know the GL code, you can enter it in here under account number, or we can search. So we go into business unit and click the small magnifying glass here. If you know the business unit code, you can type that in here, or we can search for all of them by clicking the magnifying glass. Scroll through to find which one we want. So I'm going to go for TD London. To confirm, we click the green tick. So now we click the magnifying glass again to search for all of the full account or GL codes. So for this one, I'm going to do Adnams Beer. So we select that, click the green tick, change the amount to half of it. So always remember to click the minus button first on your keypad, and then half would be 416.67. So we click on the row below, and we now have, if you look in here, remaining 416.67. So again, we search for our GL code exactly the same way. This time I'm going to enter one I already know, so OP for operations, and go for wine. This time, select by clicking the green tick, and then the magnifying glass again to complete the GL code. So search through. This time I'll do wine, so we select green tick, enter in the remaining amount here, and click on the line below. Always remember to do the minus before. So remaining amount should be 0, so there shouldn't be anything in there. You can do this as many times as you want until there is 0 in the remaining amount. So to complete, we click the green tick, and then our batch number is here, so 222868. And then to post the batch, same as a standard invoice, we exit out of all of the screens, the Navigator, Adnams, Finance, Accounts Receivable, Invoice Processing, Review and Post Invoice Batches. So again, we could search all of the ones that I've done by entering my name and user ID. Click the search button here, and then here's our batch here. So select, right click, post by batch. Click the green tick to confirm, and the search button to update. You may need to click it a few times to refresh it, but once it's disappeared, that means it's been posted. So we can exit out of this screen, and then to print a hard copy, you go into View Job Status under Recent Reports, click the Print button to print it, or the View Output button to view it as a PDF. So to print, click the Print button, make sure the printer name is correct, click the green tick to print. Or to view as a PDF, we click this button here, open it from our downloads, and we're able to view it here. You can see the separate GL codes, the two separate amounts, adding up to 1,000.